So we were discussing male reproductive system, and that we were like this is going to be the last topic of this topic, like male reproductive system. So hormonal regulation in males. We'll discuss this for now. So let's see. This is quite interesting topic. So watch till the end. So hormone regulation in males. First thing, this is about all how does this get start all this. So we'll start from the puberty. This is what first thing, this simply the stage where the girl, boy, or any like children become mature. So the normal age is it's around 13 years. At the age of 13 years, our brain, simply if I just introduce, here's the brain give message to what. It's like in brain we have one part called as hypothalamus. In brain we have one part called as hypothalamus. This is going like brain give message to hypothalamus. Then what message it is given, like to hypothalamus, they send message at the age of 13 years to release hormone. So of course, which type of hormone are supposed to be released? Hormone release. So first thing it will be GnRH. So if you're thinking what exactly is this, so let's see. It simply means gonadotrophin releasing hormone. So gonadotrophin releasing hormone. Some shares clear to you. Then this is going to secret what, like if I just simply make diagram here. So what you'll see here, you'll see GnRH, which is going to be kind of, this basically is hypothalamus. After that, this give message toward this kind of pituitary. This is going to release GnRH. After that, what you'll see, let's make it with another color. GnRH, which is going to release LH and FSH. So if you think what does these two means, so simply it's written in a book, quite complicated spelling, that's why I could not even recall. So FSH is follicle stimulating hormone and LH is luteinizing hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone. Here LH luteinizing hormone. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then comes another part. So after these both, what you'll see, after LH you'll see there's one more kind of hormone. So this is ICSH. I know about this one. This is called as interstitial cell stimulating hormone. So I'm sure it's clear to you. This means this have quite so many important and these importance. And one more point you'll see here, if I just apart from this table, so here comes another part. You'll also see testosterone, which is present in some birth cells, right? Then after that, after pituitary, these all LH, ISH, you'll see one more point, so I need to erase these all. Okay, so here comes ISH and these both, so we just simply consider this as LH or ICSH. So I'm sure it's clear to you, don't have any question. Then comes another cells. What are these cells? In FSH you'll see another kind of cell that's called as Sertoli. These were cells present in the structure. Here you'll see cells called as Leydig cells. So Leydig cells are even also called as what? These are also called as interstitial cells, like they have in their name called as interstitial cells. Whereas when we talk about the Sertoli cells, these have two more names. One is also nerd cells, or these are also called as substantial cells. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then after that, what you'll see here, Sertoli cells. After Sertoli cells, we have another type of cells called as okay. After Sertoli cells, we have androgen, which is like release of androgen, which is simply binding protein. Then what you'll see after Leydig cells, there would be release of the release of testosterones, which I told you. Uh, uh, this simply is kind of present in some blood cells. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then the Sertoli is going to inhibit the production of FSH. So this will stop or inhibit production when not required. So what we see, testosterone stop pituitary when pituitary to release G and stop GnRH to stop this, like they give order to GnRH to stop this entire process called as negative feedback. This means the production where it was will stay the same, no growth and this all. So that's called as negative feedback. I hope it's clear to you. Then we have kind of two pictures I've added. If I could explain you, then we'll do book reading in the next video hopefully. So you'll see hypothalamus. After hypothalamus, GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. After this, we have anterior pituitary, which have two cells, LH and FS. LH, which release testes interstitial cells, and even this is called as Leydig cells, as I mentioned. And what you will see here, you will see the release of testosterone. Here you will see testes of sustaining cells, which are also called as nerd cells, and this is also called as Sertoli cells. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Okay, then we have androgen ABPF, which entrance of spermato cells, and these also. I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.